Welcome back to another video. Today we have shopping at the Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the best tool deals, some clearance items, the new DeWalt's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way towards the platform. But yes, $5.92. Still twice as much as what it was. Like I said, don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way towards the platform by subscribers and likes. Yes, guys, this is the new DeWalt deals that they got going on. Not necessarily the best deals. Some of them are good. Some of them are kind of expensive. This one's the fan. I got this fan. This thing's a beast. I got it just beside me here. It's quiet. It's a beast. But this was free with. Actually, it was buy that and get a free 5 amp hour battery. You got the folding retractable, $9.97. You got a hammer, $14.97. You got a tape measure, $9.97. That is the hammer there, it's 16 ounce, and then it's the utility knife there, DeWalt. And that's the tape measure. It's a single tape measure. It's not a tool pack. It's just one for $9.97, 25 feet. And then you got a clamp. It's a 24-inch large trigger clamp, $19.97. It is a little better quality than the other 4-pack that we saw. Is it 4-pack or 6-pack? I can't remember. It's a little bit better quality, but I don't think it's worth it. But, you know, a lot of you would probably want that quality, and if you do a lot of woodworking and stuff like that. So $179 for the XR brushless drill driver with the 5 amp hour kit. Or you can get the impact driver XR brushless with the 5 amp hour kit. That is the 50 piece. Got some nut drivers. You got a quick insert bit holder, and you got some square bits, some flats, 2-inch bits, and TikTok case there with a bunch of 1-inch bits. $14.97 for the 50 piece max fit screwdriver set. Then you got $19.97 for the 21 piece black and gold. Remember, guys, these are your I would say your DIY, or just just a quick, cheap way to do it. Personally, I like titanium. Those are the drill driver kits that they have. Those are made in USA. They got the impact driver there at the bottom and the drill driver at the top. Those are the XR top of the line DeWalt models. Alright, you got the angle grinder. It's a 4.5 angle grinder tool only. Then you got the circ saw. I believe it's I don't know. I don't know exactly if it's I think it's a 7.25. You got a 20 volt max reciprocating saw, $99. We got an XR 1/2 inch mid range impact wrench, anvil only. And then you got SDS Plus D handle rotary hammer. It's a 1-incher. So yeah, guys, lots of DeWalt stuff here. All this is new, barely out. Made in the USA with global materials. That's a 1/2 inch mid torque, and that's the angle grinder there. And then the circ saw is at the bottom there. I believe the XR is the 7.25. I believe this one's 6.5, if I'm not wrong with that. So you got a compressor here with a 6-gallon compressor combo with the gun there. And then you got this. This is 15 amp corded dual bevel sliding compass miter saw, $4.99. Then you got these blades. This is Diablo blades, 6-piece reciprocating saw blades. $3.49 for the rigid table saw. It's a 15 amp 10-inch compact table saw. And then you got impact driver, drill driver, $139. These are basic drills, guys. So remember, these are DIY. These are DIY drills. Alright, so DIY drills there. And then you got this with the circ saw. It's $179, 2-tool combo kit, 1/2 inch drill driver, 6.5 circ saw combo kit. So that's it right there. And then you got a starter kit there at the right, and then you got, looks like an impact driver to the left. And then you got the oscillating tool there, brushless. So these are all brushless tools. And then you got the octane jigsaw. So octane jigsaw, $129, oscillating tool, $129. You got the starter kit 4 amp hour, $149. You got the impact driver, $129, and then you got the reciprocating saw. All right, You got the vacuum filters, $27.97, 2-pack. Guys, this was actually $19 when I bought it at Christmas, so I would definitely wait for it to drop down. You got the vacuum. This is a really nice vacuum kit, $99. It does come with the hose, a lot of attachments there, a bag, I believe, and a filter. And I don't know what happened there. It slowed down. So anyways, we got buy any tools on the left and get that battery on the right. You can get the installation driver, $229. You get the one-handed reciprocating saw, $179. That's a kit. You can get the speaker. And then these are the same deals that you saw over there, but this is a $399 kit, 4-tool combo kit. Remember, guys, this is a lifetime. It says lifetime service guaranteed. Alright, so $149 for, I believe it's a pack of 2 4-amp hour batteries. Well, it says one battery. I don't know if they put this on the wrong section, or so they must have put yeah, but then again, this is the more expensive price that we saw, because if you guys look at the other price, it's $119, so it might be for these 2-amp hour batteries, but it says, I believe it says a 4. It's hard to read on my screen, by the way. Sorry, I apologize for that. $16.98 for the hats. This Home Depot does have some clothing, and they did put some clothing on winter clothing on clearance. You got some shorts here, really nice colors, $34.99. So it just depends on your size. They got different sizes. You got some nice grays there, and then they got some. Yeah, those are Carhartt, by the way. Then they got some pants here on the bottom. Still in those bags. Still in the package. So that's right there. And then these guys, these were on clearance. I was surprised. I ended up picking one of these up. Because these are way more than $12. So they were down to $12 from $44.99. So it's the front sweatshirt navy. It's the K122 with the zipper. And then these were here, DeWalt Tough System 2.0, $89. And then you got the whole Husky stack there for $89.98, which is a great value. Well, personally, I would go, if I would be in a budget, I would go Rigid. Rigid's a nice box. And they were on sale for $99. I don't know if they still are or not. DeWalt, I would definitely wait for a sale on DeWalt. I think that's a little pricey, but you know, it's probably gonna be your budget friendly tools here, toolboxes. The DeWalt, the Rigid, and the I say the DeWalt and the Rigid are probably the best bet for the for the budget there. You got an organizer there, $19. Toolbox, $25.98. Then you got a rolling toolbox, $49.97. And then you got a bigger rolling box, the new style there, $49.97. You can stack boxes on top of that with the side handle. $39.97 for the Rigid toolbox. Then for the smaller one, $31.98. And then you got the organizer there, $24.97. Then $74 for the bottom one. $139 for the rolling toolbox, and then $29.97 for the small half organizer, the one that just takes half of the pack out system. And then you got $24.97 for this deep bin organizer Pro 10 bin. It's really nice. And then you got the rolling toolbox, $139. I really like my toolbox. I put a lot of weight on it, and it handles it just fine. $52.98 for the 6 feet table. These are black. And they got a 4 feet for $42.98. And they got this really nice toolbox. I really like the drawers on the top, nice and deep. 848 Milwaukee 61-inch. 11 drawers, 22-inch in depth. And then they got this one. This Husky. It's really nice, really basic, but it's still a really nice box. $598 construction steel, capacity 1,200 pounds, storage 2,100 or 21,800 cubic inch, 100-pound drawer capacity, and then it has the power tool, or the deep drawers at the bottom for the power tools. and you got the soft close there. Now, this is a really nice box here. I personally like these boxes. I just need the space. I really like the black with the red. Then 848. It looks like just like the other one that we saw there. 688 for the 16-inch toolbox. They still have a few of them on this store. Some of the stores don't even have any of these because they're so cheap. And you can use them as storage. You can use them as for whatever you want. Alright, you got the buy one get one free still with these. $3.99. You buy the 2 impact drill driver with the hammer drill, 5 amp-hour batteries. You get a free angle grinder. These are the discs for the angle grinders. Make sure you guys pick them up if you guys do a lot of grinding and stuff, cutting and stuff like that, because these are on sale and they do fit your older angle grinders, so they are compatible with your older one. They're compatible with the X-Lock and the older ones too. So $179 or $159 for the angle grinders to get a free battery. You got some clamps here from DeWalt. These, we've seen this before. There's 6 clamps, $29.98. I think this is a much better buy than the other one that it's $19 by itself. You get a large tote here for $35.98, Husky, and then you got a smaller here for $31.98. So really nice. They do have some nice lids on it. You got the misting fan here, $89.97 if you're in the Ryobi. You can put a nice bucket there at the bottom, and pretty much a big battery will hold you for a few hours there. I do have one of these, and it works pretty good for the family barbecue or whatever you want to do outside. $5.49 for the 40 volts top of the line made in the USA Ryobi brushless 21-inch lawnmower. And then $19.97. These were on clearance, guys. These are some earbuds V2 combo. I ended up picking one of these up. These are great for kids, or for something, just a little detail there, or something for the kids. You got the clearance section here. You got a circ saw, $59, or you got a hammer drill, $59. You got an impact driver, $59. So a lot of Ryobi stuff is being clearanced out. Probably the leftovers from the buy one get one free deals. Then they got the paper filter for the 3 and 4 gallon vacuums for rigid. So if you got a small rigid, you can get those on clearance. And guys, they had these on clearance, but I did not find any prices. I did not ask for any. But if you're interested on something like this, make sure you guys go to your store and find out. Have it scanned by an associate with the cell phones, with the Home Depot cell phones, because if you just scan it online, it's not going to appear online. You got a circ saw, a corded circ saw, $129. You got some precision screwdriver set, $7.97, 7-piece. It's a nice set there. Alright, you got some gloves here. Pack of 10, $10.97. Nitrile coated. Then you got these, $5.97, pack of 5. Alright guys, that's it for today. Just a short video. I know we always make longer videos. Just a short video for today. I'll see if tomorrow if I can upload a Lowe's video or another store. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, so we YouTubers a platform by subscribing and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.